The kids gain momentum. Fight! Fight! The runs across the line. The kids just destroyed him. All right, bring the rest of them out. I brought the 10 strongest men on Earth. These guys are freaking huge. I've never felt so small in my life.
You are scary! You are scary!
Standing in front of you is over 2 tons of raw muscle and power. These Titans have won strongman competitions across the globe. And together, they can lift the weight of 4 pickup trucks. And now we're gonna start adding strong challengers to each new round to see how many it takes to beat 100 kids. Starting with 2019's official strongest man in the world. All right, surely this time you can resist, what, a couple seconds?
We better be able to.
It's past your bedtime! Go